Today in front of me I have the Realme 10 smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first step that you need to take is to make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar type in the Opera query, like so. Then once the needed app is found among the search results, click on the green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now all that is left to do for us is to launch the Opera and undergo a very simple first time and only time setup procedure. So choose whether you would like to receive any notifications from Opera, then click on this blue continue button. Decide if you want to set Opera as your default browser app, which I'll skip. And finally, either customize the permissions that you would like to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that the app asks for. And that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye-bye.